Newbealer's Mini Aroma Facial Steamer is easy to use. After washing your face, remove the facial steamer's water tank and fill it with distilled or purified water only. It comes with 4 oil caps to prevent the mixture of aromatherapy oils. Before steaming, just add your favorite one. Adjust the nozzle in the right direction that works best for you. Now enjoy the Nano Ionic steam to hydrate your skin cells and open up your pores. It can also help you relieve your sinuses and relaxes your eyes. The Nano Soft Steam is combined with ionic water particles that is up to 20 times more effective in moisturizing and refreshes your skin. After steaming your face, use the 9-piece extraction set to remove your blackhead and pimples. Finally, use a facial mask to shrink your pores. Are you ready to be beautiful? With a stylish and compact design, the mini steamer is perfect for traveling or used in the office. It comes in 2 different colors, available by Newbealer.